the only RTR in the country that is twin turbo.
Just send it, man.
What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here at the pre-meet, and look at all the Mustangs. Look at all the Mustangs, and this is just the pre-meet. This is just the pre-meet, man. Boosted 931 in the house. You gonna put that on track tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Boosted 931 in the house. Boosted. Check this car out. Yeah, this is Jim Alvarez. This is the only RTR in the country that is twin turbo.
In the world.
In the world. In the world. That is twin turbo. The only RTR in the world that is twin turbo. And it's got the Hellion sleeper kit. Look at that. I like that. I like how that's set up right there. But this thing, and guys, check this out. The RTR, and of course, you know, it is a manual. This thing is beautiful. And of course, we got the classics. We got the Foxes. We got a little bit of everything here, guys, and they have come out, and like I said, this is just a pre-meet. The event is tomorrow, Ford Takeover at Jackson Dragway. All these cars out here. T. Hetzler in the house. What is going on? What's going on? That is his car right there.
That dirty one.
PP2. I love those wheels, guys. Guys, tell me what you think about those wheels. Man, just look at that. Gotta have it. Gotta have it.
Straight out of Georgia.
Straight out of Georgia?
Proline.
There you go. A Proline?
Yeah.
What's going on, man?
Oh, you all right?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Man, it is. And then we got Boss Man, of course. Of course, you got Boss Man. Everybody is out here. Do what?
50 bucks when you can. I got 50.
You got 50 on me?
Yeah, remember me and him? I got Pony, he's got you.
Boss Man, I'm sorry.
I know. I'm trying to get out of the bed.
I'm trying to schmooze up to you to get out.
There you go.
I told him he had Pony and I had you.
Look who it is, guys.
Who is that?
Look who it is.
I don't know who it is.
What is going on, Corey? Dude, I've been so busy, bro. My bad. See, you got her back running.
Yeah, let me get this ugly thing out of the way.
Ah, she ain't ugly, Bubba. We got Davini Customs in the house. What's going on? This is his car. Now, guys, if you've been around my channel for any length of time, then you know what this is. This is a black 17 California Special, and as you know, I had one with a blower on it. We're not going to talk about what happened to it at all. But if you missed some of that content on my channel, go check out Davini Customs. Go check him out. He's got, I mean, it's pretty much identical to my car, except you took some of the striping off, but aside from that, you're making it your own.
Oh, yeah.
But it is a California Special 17.
Very nice.
You want to sell it?
Oh, no, I'm good.
Okay, just making sure. And guys, we got the car mob in the house.
How's it going, everybody?
Got car mob in the house, and
Here's your sticker, bro.
dude, thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate that.
No problem.
Thank you. Guys, look at that shoot. You guys shoot on there now. He's planning on going fast, guys. Gonna go fast, right? Hell yeah. A lot of people have shown up. We got people all the way down from Connecticut that come.
I had to, right?
Yeah, that's right. Look at all these cars, guys. Chris Peaverhouse is alive. He is alive finally. Harold, what's going on? I don't know who this guy is. Don't know who he is. Dang John, what's up? There, I got on your level.
Yeah, you
Guys, look, my arm's all the way up.
I'll turn it on you.
Who's that guy? Mustang Mike, what is up? Long time no see, right?
Good turnout.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pretty far to
Man, there's a lot of them. So nice. G-Funk, what's up? What's up? Brutal. What's up? What's up? Mike Hall sitting over there being all quiet.
Of course.
Did you get a shirt?
Where'd you get that from?
My wife ordered it from Amazon.
I love it. I love it. I gotta get one. Got Pony 1992 car right there. Pony himself right there. Alright guys, we made it all the way around. So look at this, look at this. Look at this Thunderbird right here. Check it out guys. Boom. Ah. Best part of it guys, look at that, manual.
I got a question.
Yes sir.
Still put a plate back on it? I mean, could have Xander like punched the hole lower down and still put the plate in there?
I think that's where it mounts because of the bar that goes across. There's a bar that mounts to where your factory back bumper goes, so it has to be right there. And when you're hauling down a quarter mile at 150, you need it.
Yes.
Gotta have it.
Yes. And that's where we plan to be by the end of the summer.
There you go. You're going built motor from Livernois.
Yep.
So you're gonna be some serious. Whew.
I follow that 1320 chick.
Yep.
She makes 930 wheel horse on 16 pounds of boost with a built bottom end. I don't know about headwork, but I told Livernois that's what I want.
There you go.
She ran 930s at like 150 plus.
So if you don't watch Car Mob, go follow him.
man, thank you.
He's gonna have one of the quickest convertible S550s out there. That's his go.
That's my goal.
That's his go.
That's the goal.
I think you're gonna get there.
We're trying to set the bar real high. We're shooting for high 8s by the end of summer if it's possible, if I can drive it.
There you go.
Never had a car that fast, but I'm willing to learn.
That's right. There you go. Guys, go check them out, Car Mob.
you, guys.
Link down in the description. Of course, there's Foxcast right there. What's up? Oh, I imagine so. I imagine so. I tell you what. I'll race him if you race me.
I'll turn it off and run you out here.
Yeah, right. I hear you.
Skylar from Streetcar Takeover.
How's it going, buddy?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Man, this thing is sweet.
Thank you.
Chris, all I want you to do is hang around this gentleman right here.
I can't wait
Freddie.
to see.
He's got a 1,000 horsepower GT500 now. So you need to get that red car right there. You need to talk with this man, and this man's gonna hook you up. He's gonna give you the recipe. 1,000 horsepower.
I heard it's pretty insane.
It is.
I want to see this thing.
Speed Daddy gonna get the driver.
There you go. We're gonna bring these guys a video.
Tell you firsthand.
He's got a 700, right at 700 horsepower 03 Cobra, guys, and a 1,095, 1,096 horsepower on the dyno GT500. All right, gotta get it right.
You gotta feel it though, so you know it's true.
So how much boost? I know you was on E85. How much boost was you running if you want to disclose?
20.3.
20.3 pounds of boost with a Gen 3R
Yep.
on a built GT500 with cams.
Stage 3. So stage 3. Wow.
Lord have mercy.
She do all right.
But you got to get some tire on the back for when I drive it. I gotta feel it. I gotta feel it.
You're a seasoned driver. You can handle this.
No. You give me street tires and 1,000 horsepower, we ain't getting on it. Look, that's a lot of money for me to be playing with.
I appreciate that.
That was recording. Lambda, short-term fuel trim, long-term air fuel. Yeah, just send it, man. Not important. What's the worst that'll happen?
Still gonna send it.
Still send it.
Man, look at this, guys. Oh. Caros, manual, PP car. There's Brutal's car. Look at the turbo, guys. gosh, so much won't. It is winding down and everybody is heading out, so I think we're about to go get something to eat and get out of here ourselves. I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. Say bye, guys.
Why are you working, man? You're working.
Bye, guys.